my masterpiece is nearly done.
It's so post-primitive. I simply adore it.
Just imagine what mankind will think when they discover this fresco. This undeniable historical evidence of my almighty power will be all they need to persuade them that they've worshipped me for thousands of years.
I've worshipped you for thousands of years. Ah!
Quiet, Weasel. I'm putting the finishing touches on my divine paws.
You can complain all you want, but the park is just around the corner and it's a gorgeous day. A little walk will do you good. Oh, looks like I spoke too soon. It's starting to rain. All right, you win, lazy bones. Let's take the subway. Down here is where you can find the pulse of New York City, Mr. Cat.
So, where am I?
Are you lost there, mister? Getting around in the subway can be tough, can't it?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm just looking for the Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh, brother, you're miles away. Come with me. I'll put you on the right track.
Well done, Weasel. Look, it's a hot dog!
You know, we just love tourists that come to New York. Tell me, where do you call home?
Well, I am French.
Ah, Paris, the city of love. Mr. Cat, this is no time for mousing.
Anyway, thanks for your help. You're too kind.
No, not that way, brother. The Brooklyn Bridge exit is to the left.
I'm coming, boss!
Hey there. You went the wrong way, pal. You'd better follow me.
That's right, Pooch. Be afraid. I've got a black belt in Fizz fighting.
What a labyrinth. I've got to admit, I think I'm a little lost now myself.
Giddy up, Pino!
Excuse us, officer. Would you mind pointing us toward the Brooklyn Bridge exit?
On guard! My masterpiece! You'll pay for that!
Here we are. Thank you, officer. Much appreciated.
Ooh. This is so postmodern, I simply adore it.
You haven't seen anything yet. Brooklyn Bridge itself is even more impressive.
Hold on,
No, I insist. I'll see you to your destination this time. Well, isn't it amazing to see it with your own eyes?
I had no idea it would be this big.
Welcome to New York, my friend.